Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about getting organized in your day-to-day life, and I will share ways with you that I like to stay goal-oriented and focused. So the first thing I do or try to do every Sunday is to write down things that I need to get done that coming week. I always have a diary because I like to write. I know some people use their phones and stuff, and although I'm a techie, I genuinely like the sensation of writing things down. I feel like I remember them better, and I just like blank diaries. I guess I'm old-fashioned. So the first thing I do or try to do every Sunday is write down things that I have to do or have to get done or want to get done for that week. And because I like the sensation of actually writing things down, I tend to use diaries, but any form of diary keeping would work, whether it's a diary or your phone or Google Calendar, it doesn't matter. It would all work. In writing down the things that I need to get done, I tend to use or write down time slots because I feel like it's better to work with a purpose and with a goal. So as opposed to just writing down things that you need to do, try writing down things that you need to do and assigning them to time slots. That works for me anyway. So if I don't get to complete a task in my diary, I'd reevaluate why I wasn't able to do it and see if I can change the day and maybe even the time to a more suitable day and time that I'd be able to actually complete that specific task. So the things that I write down in my diary could be anything from my YouTube planning, my schedule, my content, my video content, which is a bit more in-depth, to work-related things or personal things that I need to do, maybe running errands or taking my grandma shopping. It could be anything. I always write it down, I assign them to time slots, and I make sure that I get them done. So the reason that I write down everything that I need to get done or want to get done is because, one, I'm somewhat of a control freak, and two, I tend to not get around to doing all of the things that need to get done if I don't write them down. So it's a helpful tool for me. It works for me. I get my work done, and it's just the best thing since sliced bread for me. So my advice is to try and plan ahead and simply try to plan everything as much as possible, especially if you're experiencing difficulties getting the job done. As I said, it could be related to anything. If you notice that it's taking you long to do certain things, or for example, let's say you wanted to start YouTube, right? And you've been procrastinating because you're not sure and blah, blah, blah. Write it down. Write down your plan of approach and the things you want to do to get to this phase and execute it. Have fun with it. That's the most important thing. If you prefer using apps, however, there are really cool apps online. I'll put some in the description box that I've actually reviewed, and some of these I've actually used in the past or maybe even still use. So remember, it's much more fun to log your diary if you actually have an end goal. And by an end goal, it could be anything. Like it could be your end goal being to get your car fixed, which is why you have to take it to the dealers, to wanting to start YouTube and actually writing down the things you need to do to prepare to start YouTube, or starting a business. It could be anything. It's what I use and it works for me. Being organized and planning, to me, that is the key to life. So plan accordingly and you will get the job done. I promise. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I've noticed that my views are going up. However, I'm pretty sure that I'm about 75% of those. Anyway, let me know what you want to see next. I'm stuck between a haul video and a makeup look. So if you like any of my makeup looks so far, or if you want to see a haul or maybe anything else, just let me know in the comment section, and be sure to watch out for the video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.